Attention residents with recent hurricane damage in the Allen, Beauregard, Vernon, Jefferson Davis, Calcasieu and Cameron parishes. Sign up for temporary roofs is extended through October 24th as part of the official U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Blue Roof Program. Our federal contractor will install blue fiber-reinforced plastic sheeting over the damaged portions of your roof for free. 95% of roofs we installed for Hurricane Laura continue to protect homes after Hurricane Delta. Beware of fraud. Our program is free of charge and provided to you by the state and federal government. Call 888-ROOF-BLUE. That's 888-766-3258. You may also sign up online at www.usafe.army.mil/Blue Roof. We have estimated that 40 to 60,000 homes may be eligible for the free blue roof, so don't delay. Call 888-ROOF-BLUE. That's 888-766-3258. And please tell your friends and family, neighbors, and everyone else to call. Thank you.